Hi, I'm Chart Gal Lori, and I'm part of the Chart Guys community. I have been a trader and technical analyst for the last 8.5 years. What I'm going to do is go over the action for today, and which is May 14th, I think, 2024. I lost my little date thing. Anyway, I'm going to go over AMC and game. I know that's what you came for. I'm going to go over that and go over, we had PPI this morning, the reaction, how the indices reacted, and then we have CPI tomorrow. So we didn't see any de-risking into CPI. So I don't know if people are feeling pretty confident just staying in the technicals, but let's get to the technicals. Let me make my face a little bit smaller. And let's start with ES. So ES, daily bull flag confirmed. If you were with us in pregame, right here, we had pregame break the low of the prior day, or excuse me, pre-market on the PPI reaction. It was a surprise. And I talked to the room or to the YouTube streamers that this is what happens, and it's very indicative. A bull flag has this characteristics where you have these fake outs where you break down and then it quickly gets bought up. You have a lower wick. Daily bull flags, they have these fake breaks and then they resume higher. And that's what I was looking for because everything was pointing higher as far as structure and overall sentiment. If you look at ES, we had a daily inside bar yesterday. And then today we broke that bullish. We have an outside bar today going into CPI tomorrow. Extremely bullish. And one of my comments in the pregame and in the morning live stream for TCG was that we need to see semis lead this. If we're going to have a bull day and have bull flag confirmation, semis have got to wake up. So let's go down to semis right now. I don't have that right in order, but let's do it anyway. So this morning we were counting NVIDIA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of sideways action. And we have a potential 2-day bull flag on NVIDIA. We did not confirm that. It was bullish today, but we did not confirm the bull flag over 92.20. We'll be looking for that tomorrow. We had hourly inside bars that we covered. I covered in chat. They broke bull and we had this squeeze, just a beautiful, beautiful rounded bottom. So NVDA and semis led us. If you look at semis here, daily bull flag confirmed. 22757 is that next key resistance. SMCI had a heck of a day. We did not get a bull break over 843.77. We are not over the 26 EMA, but I don't know that the bulls are very upset. I think they did a great job. If we open tomorrow right under 833.39, if we if we open up tomorrow right below 833.39, that would be awesome. If we were hourly overbought and just run right into that resistance, that could be a top fish level. So that covers the semis who really led today. Let's go look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ had a daily inside bar that broke bull. As you can see, we had an inside bar that broke bull, and now we have an outside bar. Very bullish, and that was, again, with semis leading. RTY, we had a daily inside bar, break bull. I think it looks better on the 2-day. Yeah, 2-day bull flag, breaking bull on RTY. And you would look for the Russell to outperform NASDAQ and ES when you have so many small caps running. Looking at Dow, Dow was somewhat of a laggard today, but I don't think that the bulls are hanging their head. They did pretty good. We ended with a 15-minute potential bull flag on the Dow. Yeah, we did not confirm that daily bull flag. We need to get over 39781 tomorrow in order to confirm that bull flag. VIX really took it in the chin today. So this morning when we woke up, or at least when I woke up at 3 a.m., VIX was green. And you could see people hedging going into PPI. They were buying protection, which is VIX. And then once PPI was over with, we had a big spike in VIX. And then once our daily bull flag resumed higher and we were able to take out the high of pre-market, then the VIX just rolled over like we would want it to do. All right, looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin didn't get the memo. They are still below the hourly 12 EMA and hourly 26 EMA. just an hourly downtrend. It's pretty weak. And on the next bounce, you're looking for a 4-hour lower high. Bitcoin did not participate in today's gains. Coin actually was pretty bullish considering that Bitcoin was down. We ran into the prior day high and rejected, and we closed green up, or we're closing green up 1%. Mara was very strong. We haven't taken out the high of day yet, but we do have a squeeze going into the end of day. Let me see if the 2-hour, if this is more clear. Yeah, this could be a little inverse head and shoulders on Mara going into tomorrow. Here, and let's see what we get tomorrow morning. We'll see what we get. All right, Riot closed, or is closing today, up almost 3%. We're closing with an hourly bull flag. Dollar was weak. Dollar spiked here on the PPI, and then it quickly rolled over. We had a bear flag that is also rolling over. We haven't taken out the low of day again yet, but the dollar was weak. And finally, gold capitalized on dollar weakness. So we did not get over the prior day high on gold, but gold bulls have to be pretty happy because they have been underperforming as of late. This morning we had a nice 15-minute later morning trade that I was talking about in the morning show. We were looking for that 15-minute potential higher low. It ended up being a 30-minute higher low, and now we're resuming to the high of day 35.46, which is a double top with 35.45. So GDX is, let me go back to GDX. I feel like I didn't cover that enough. Yeah, it has a potential daily bull flag. This looks good. Nice recovery. Very nice recovery. And silver's like, do it like us. Up 2.5%, having a great day, and it's over the prior day high. 878, your next resistance. Look at this volume here. Huge. Oil was weak. Yesterday, we were looking for this 4-hour lower high. We got the lower high, and now we took out this low by 10 cents, but that is not a bear break. I would call that more of a double top. We went over semis. They just look beautiful. Looking at Apple. Apple on the daily, we were able to take out 186.75 decisively. And I say decisively because yesterday we broke it by 35 cents. Well, today that is a bull break. Yesterday you could have called that a double top, but now the bulls have gone and done it. Great job by the Apple bulls. We have Amazon. Amazon is closing slightly green. They're running into the Great Wall of Louisiana, the hourly 50 MA. Tomorrow, though, you could look for an hourly higher low compared to 183.20. I think I had it on the 2-day and pre-market. Yeah, this could be a 2-day bull flag on Amazon. We'll see if they join the party tomorrow. Netflix was one of my Queen of the Mountain trades, looking for this weekly lower high compared to 639. It was very weak today. Oh, it's kind of bouncing into close. Sorry, I've got a nose itch. We are bouncing into close. We went up, we hit 621.48 and promptly rolled over. It just did not hold up as well as its peers. Tesla finally got the memo that when the bulls start running, let's just finish the job. We are looking for a weekly higher low on Tesla. So if you have a bull mindset, you're looking for a swing on Tesla, looking for that weekly higher low. On the daily, we're in a downtrend. Odds favor a daily lower high compared to 187.56. But I would say the bulls have to be very pleased with their performance today, and they've made plenty of room for hourly higher lows. We had marijuana that was joining the little short squeeze that we had going on in pre-market, where they were going to names that had high short floats and buying them in game and AMC sympathy. CGC did not maintain those gains very well at all. We have Tilray, again, did not maintain those gains well at all. So marijuana almost joined the party and then decided, nah, we're going to wait for news headlines. XLF is closing pretty strong, but looking at it on the daily, this is a really, I can't call this a classic daily bull flag. I can't, because yesterday we had a bearish engulfing candle, and today we have an inside bar. So we have QQQ, SPY, Russell, all breaking daily inside bars bullish, and XLF isn't. It's green. It is green, but I don't know that XLF is in a good place. Are they going to get a weekly? Well, probably. It could be a monthly bull flag. Let me see one more time frame. Even the 2-week looks like a bull flag. We'll see what XLF maybe just took a break today, and everybody is allowed to take a break. Even prisoners get a break, one break a day. Okay, so on the weekly on XLV, we are looking for a lower high compared to 148.23. This is very similar to Netflix. I need to put this on my radar for potential weekly lower high swing on healthcare. Of course, I saved the best for last. So game. I was live streaming the halts yesterday, and here are all, I know this looks like gobbledygook, but it's all the halt levels of where we halted, and they come into play often. And then this morning I was live streaming the action, and I typed out, this is what I typed out. I am looking for a 45 to 50% drop. After we get the morning push, I am looking for that drop. And then after that 45 to 50% drop, I am looking for at least a 20% bounce. I didn't say 30, I said 20. My fingers aren't typing it. Looking for a 20% bounce here after we reach that low, that climax bottom washout. And man, did we get that 20% bounce. I got tons of messages in our room. A lot of people benefited and they took advantage of this. And after that third or fourth halt down, seems to be the little magic number. Get that flush and then have it push back up. It was just a beautiful day on game. Game bulls. I'm not saying they're looking tired. My goodness, they're up 60%. Volume is great. I think we're going to get some great volatility tomorrow, and we'll see if does he text, tweet, whatever, X again, what do you call that, twat? Does he amp it up overnight? We'll see, and does it get some fresh energy? I think bulls need fresh energy to reach new levels. AMC had a big day, up 30%. Same concept. I typed this out. We're looking for a 45 to 50% drop and then a 20% bounce, and we got that as well on AMC. Let me measure that on AMC. Yeah, we got that and then some on AMC. And I glazed over Amazon. Amazon was one of my live stream trades. I took a long on Amazon. This is a beach ball trade. And what I call a beach ball trade is we're looking for a 2-day higher low. This pivot is very weak. Let's just say a 2-day higher low. And the hourly was oversold and we're gapping down. So when you push it down, it's kind of like holding a beach ball underwater and then it pops up. And so we took a long on Amazon and at $1.65 calls and exited some at $2.30. Overall profitable trade. I exited the rest right in here. I didn't like the size of that pullback. Had I held, it would have been a great trade, but it violated my rules and had more than a 60% pullback. So I let the last part go for still a profit. It was a good trade for the live stream. All right, that's it in my new format, new headphones. I hope you like it. Y'all have a wonderful evening.